Hey there, welcome back. So in the previous video, we saw that how the data classification configuration policy are set. So in this video, we'll be seeing um, how CrewAI uh, framework, agentic framework is compatible with the agents. So I'll just quickly show how to configure CrewAI multi-agents with agents SDK. So we have agents SDK integrations, governed CrewAI tool, using which we'll be configuring the control plane. So it's done, and after that, I'm configuring CrewAI tools, necessary tools. Also, I'll be configuring the crew. So once this is done, you can kick off the crew. So this is how you can integrate it with CrewAI. And the next video we can see how we can integrate it with the AutoGen.